Did your cell phone got broke? Let us help. We can repair all iPhone and Android devices. We can diagnose the problem, fix or change any component, including the screen, battery, or the speakers. Our team DJRick Cellphone and Computer Repair Service will help you out.
Call us today.
Are you frustrated with your computer? Is it broke again? DJRick Cellphone and Computer Repair Shop, your computer and cell phone repair company, we are here to help you. Don't trust this job to anyone. You deserve the technician that is experienced, skilled, available.
Our services include computer repair, network services, upgrades, and more.
Don't just take our word for it. Look what others are saying about DJRick Cellphone Computer Repair Service. DJRick Cellphone and Computer Repair Service. Call us 091576776667. Look for technician Derek Reyes.